So the 9 to 12 course recreates a British boarding school experience for international students. So classes are small and they get lots of attention from their teacher. And alongside that, they also have a really rich cultural and pastoral programme.
The aim is to give students a rounded experience with small classes, the best activities, getting in depth into the subject as a student here would.
English Explorer is learning and developing your English skills, and it's designed for students, primarily for those who speak English as second or even third language, for anyone who wants to improve their writing, reading or their grammar, or even understanding the language itself.
She helped me to speak in good English and correct my fault.
One of the best things about Oxford Summer Course is that we teach them in smaller groups, so we can really cater for their needs and develop their skills.
My English was good, but not very well. And these courses make me speak a good English and learn how to speak and how to write. Come here because that's very cool and you're gonna make a lot of friends.